I was one of the first 10 members of the original Divi Facebook group. I'm lucky, in the right place at the right time, I guess. I was reading up on Elegant Themes' blog post. Somebody posted in the comments that they had started a Facebook group. Hey, do y'all want to go learn this thing together? I jumped in there and we all just started helping each other learn this new tool called Divi. We didn't know at the time that it was going to eventually become the #1 WordPress theme in the world. We didn't know any of what we know now where Divi is. We just saw the power in it. And what I like to tell people today is that Divi is easy enough for a brand new beginner to use and build websites with that knows nothing, but it's powerful enough to build anything that you want to build with it if you have the skill set. Not that I have the skill set, because I'm not a developer. My skill set is marketing and business, but I have very talented developers that work for me. We've built some amazing things with Divi that just blow people's minds that you can build it with this. So if you have the skill set or if you don't have the skill set, it's still an awesome tool to use.